You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Paulie here, and let me tell you a little story here, and then we'll get into the pizza. Well, it's all about pizza. The other night I was feeling a little lazy, didn't have any dough made up, so I figured, I got that DoorDash app on my phone. Little lady hates it when I do DoorDash. Anyhow, I decided to go cheap and I ordered Little Caesars pizza from the place I used to work at. I just wanted to see how different it was from the pizza I'm making now. And I got the pizza, and that dough was like tough. The dough was not good. It was stiff. The flavor was good of the sauce and the cheese and all that, but the dough was not good. And then I started thinking about pizzas of the past that I've had from fast food places, and I do remember one that I really liked back in the day, 90s. Yeah, 90s. Domino's. This is in Washington State. I ordered a cheeseburger pizza, bacon cheeseburger pizza. I'm thinking, man, that was really good at the time. I wasn't too pizza smart at all. Am I yet? I don't know. But I wasn't pizza smart at all. All I knew what kind of hit my palate the right way at the time, and I would devour it. But yeah, the cheeseburger pizza. So I decided, you know what, Detmers, you need to make yourself a cheeseburger pizza. So here we go. Half pound of ground beef, about 4 slices of bacon. Bacon's chopped. Saute in that, and then I'm adding some white onions that are sliced. I got some tomatoes from the little lady's garden. I removed the seeds. I didn't want that dough to be wet. And then dough, beautiful. The Polish pizza dough is a great thing. Meyer pizza sauce, my staple sauce. And we got some sharp cheddar and mozzarella. It is a pizza, of course. With that meat mixture and onion, we're gonna put in the oven. Okay, you may notice that I'm using parchment paper again. Parchment paper is a great tool because when you're building the pizza, it prevents it from sticking on that counter if you take too long putting them toppings on there.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, she's done. Beautiful. All right, little lady's in the other room. She fell asleep watching some Christian programming. God bless her. And thank you, God. Yeah, this bacon cheeseburger pizza looks great. It's almost a stand-up pizza, but a lot of heavy stuff on there. I did drain all that grease out. Well, I drained most of it. And I did remove the seeds from the tomato. Let's try it. Man, look at the bottom. Didn't sog through. It's not wet. Wow. It is great. This can make up for all you those that didn't like the tuna fish pizza. Amazingly great bacon cheeseburger pizza. Look at that. So the key tips to making a bacon cheeseburger pizza: drain that meat after you cook it. Drain all that fat off as best as you can. I could have probably towel dried it a little bit more, but I ain't got no issues. You know, the other thing is, make sure you remove the seeds from the tomato. And the way I did it was I just rinsed the tomato slice under running water, and it kind of washed it right off. You don't have to really pick through it too much. Very good, you know. So much better than that Little Caesars I had the other night. That's what I get for being lazy.